Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 22 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/5/3. The question 22a says evaluate sine cube 60 minus tan 30 upon cos square 45. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 minus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 by cos 45 is 1 upon root 2, which is 3 root 3 upon 8 minus 1 upon root 3 by 1 by 2. Taking the LCM for the numerator, we get 9 minus 8 upon 8 root 3 by 1 upon 2. And further simplifying, we get 1 by 4 root 3. Question 22b says, for acute angles A and B, A plus 2B and 2A plus B are acute if tan A plus 2B is equal to root 3 and sin 2A plus B is equal to 1 upon root 2. Then find the measure of angles A and B. The given statement is tan A plus 2B is root 3, that is tan A plus 2B is equal to, we get root 3 for tan 60, which implies that a plus 2b is equal to 60. Let this be equation 1. The next condition given is sin 2a plus b is equal to 1 upon root 2. Let's try to represent the right hand side also in terms of sign. So the equation becomes sin 2a plus b is equal to sin 45, which implies that 2a plus b is equal to 45. Let this be equation 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2. Multiplying the first equation by 2, we get 2a plus 4b is equal to 120. Then from this, let us subtract the second equation. That is 3b is equal to 75. So b is 75 upon 3, which is 25. On substituting b in a plus 2b is equal to 60, a plus twice 25 is 60. So a is 60 minus 50, which is 10. So the angles A and B are 10 and 25 respectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.